All right, what's up, guys? So it is currently 10:21 p.m. and my best friend just called me and asked me if I wanted to go to Buc-ee's. So come with me to Buc-ee's at night. So Buc-ee's is roughly 2 hours away, and then it's the Richmond one. So it's 2 hours away, and then we're gonna go there, hang out, and then we're gonna come back tonight. Mama Burton is not on board, but I'm 21, so I can still go. My friends should be here in about 15 minutes, but she was like, wear a coat, bring a blanket. What if their car breaks down? We'll figure it out.
All right, we'll take the $3.50 six-piece McNugget bundle. Okay. And then we'll take a 10-piece McNugget. Arrival.
I'm sorry.
Million more pumps than mine. What? Wait, is this just my pussy?
It's 1:08 and we have arrived.
So, first we're starting off with the caramel drizzle. We're gonna line the cup. Oh, it's a little difficult to line the cup. If you like caramel Skinner, making you an upside down caramel macchiato. Okay. Which is just a caramel vanilla latte. We'll do 3 vanilla.
Remember my first time trying coffee?
And look, they have QB ice. And then honey spoon. That was probably not enough. Waffle. That sounds good. No, that's okay. I hope you like caramel though, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I put caramel in it, so it'd be
That's
really
the first
awkward.
thing you
This is
did.
nice and cold. These are good coolers.
I'm trying to find a good teriyaki beef jerky that doesn't have too much fat. This one's looking pretty good, and so is this one. But like too much of like this color is not good. My friend asked for a souvenir, so I think I'm gonna get her a fridge magnet. Maybe like this one or this one. I think I might get her this. All right, I decided to get her this magnet, and it flips. It's on a magnet on both sides. Alrighty, I had to grab Hung some Bohemian garlic. Alright, I ended up getting fresh beef jerky. It's hot. It's pretty good. I got a basket. Success.
That's okay.
Alright guys, it's 3 a.m. almost 4 a.m. and I am successfully home.